We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this here, within this move, and this is what we get. And we have been looking for the price to break 0.00334. And as a first level, as we can see, the price broke. Now we want to see whether the price can continue and break 0.00352 or not. Right. Anyway, for those traders, they get the trade within this move. At least move their stop loss somewhere below this correction. That means at least somewhere around 0.00332. Okay, at least they can book this profit because we want to see whether the price can break the next level or not. Because if we move to the forward chart, there is no much changes. The only thing is we need to see the continuation and the breakout of the second level. I mostly prefer to see the breakout of the previous top. That's why right now I'm going to adjust the second level as 0.0357. All right, because right now I think the best things is if we look at the previous top. That's why this is what I'm looking for. That's why we adjust the second level as 0.00357. We need to see the breakout of this one because this is the reasons. I mean, we explained my last analysis. This is because if the price cannot break the previous top, we can expect this one turn to a correction. All right, and this one can turn to 3 waves flat for one more drop. That means we can be within this down move. That's why for those traders, they get the trade within this move, they need to book some profit, and we need to see the breakout of the previous top. That means we need to see the confirmation for the price to break this zone. This is where we can look for continuation. All right, anyway, based on forward chart, first things, we don't see any reversal point, and even we don't see any trade setup. The best things is if you want to look for buy, if you get a deeper, bigger correction or deeper correction. But from what I can see right now, it doesn't give us any opportunity to look for buy. That's why we need to be quite careful. And how about if we move to 1 hour chart? Even based on 1 hour chart, we don't see any trade setup to look for next trade. And for those traders, they get the trade from here. I think they need to watch out because if the price continues as a corrective move, either it give us a deeper correction before we get the continuation, or it can give us a reversal. That means we can expect the price to drop, similar to what we get here. The way it was moved is very corrective. It's following for one sharp move, following by correction. This is what we get. That's why we need to be quite careful. If the price couldn't break this zone, that means if the price couldn't break the previous top, if we get any possible the correction similar to what we have here, this is where we need to take out our trades in the profit or book some profit, and then from there we need to make a decision whether we should look for sell or not. Okay, but for me, if I want to look for the next trade, I would prefer to give me a deeper or bigger correction before I take the trade. And any trade within this range, as long as the price haven't break 0.00357, I consider as a short-term trade. Rather than that, we have nothing else to discuss. That means we need to see the breakout of the previous top to look for the continuation. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. The only thing is for those traders, they get the trade within this move. At least they need to book some profit and move their stop loss somewhere below this correction, this flag. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update again, I will share. Thanks.